My name is Mary Schrems. I'm from Hollywood, Florida, United States of America, and I'm here for hip resurfacing. Two major factors made me decide to come outside of the United States for this treatment. The first factor was that resurfacing is not commonly done in the United States. And furthermore, if it is done, many insurances do not cover it. My second reason is I have a pre-existing condition, which many of us do in the United States, and my insurance would not cover any hip surgery because I have osteoarthritis. I sought treatment at Apollo Hospital in Chennai, India, and it really exceeded my expectations. I was referred to this hospital by another friend of mine who had surgery here approximately 5 to 6 years ago when they first started, and it was a good experience for her as well as for me. My doctor was Dr. Vijay Bose. I can tell you that he personally answered his emails, which was pretty interesting for a doctor. I'm a nurse, and I don't find that in the United States, doctor being that personal. Although very professional and kind, he allayed any of the fears that I had for surgery. The equipment and the technology is the same as I would have expected in the United States, although I was able to have a companion stay with me in my room and help me throughout my post-op days. And the room that I stayed in was more like a deluxe hotel room than a hospital room. No problem with communication. The nurses and the staff all speak English, so it was very easy for us to communicate. It was very easy for me to communicate my needs, and everything was met satisfactorily. As a nurse, I can tell you, hip replacement surgery in the United States is between $45,000 and $150,000. So I saved at least $70,000. Again, I heard about Apollo Hospital through a friend who had surgery here, and then I did my little bit of investigation over the internet. And once you get on Apollo Hospital website, you'll know a lot more about the hospital and see what I mean. The experience here at Apollo Hospital has been wonderful. It's like being in a resort after surgery, after the first day post-op. Day number 3, I was up walking, I was down the halls, I was sitting up, I was laughing, I needed no more pain medicine. It was a good experience. The hospital services I would rate on a scale of 1 to 10, a 10. I would absolutely advise others to seek treatment at Apollo Hospital. Even if the treatment is available in the United States for hip replacement, I do not believe that they would get the care that I received here. And I know that Dr. Bose has performed more than any doctor the number of hip resurfacing surgeries. So I would definitely seek Apollo Hospital. For people that are skeptical about coming to India for medical treatment, I would say this: India is a poor country, but they have an economy that they're working with, and their economy does work. Coming to Apollo Hospital, I had a patient advocate who, from day 1 when I planned my surgery, I could email, and he would email me back, and that could be on a daily basis, and he would promptly email me back. So I felt very comfortable coming to India. The quality of care overseas has been beautiful. I'm staying here for an extra 11 or 12 days so that I can see Chennai and have some fun after surgery. I'm up walking now. I'm going to a resort to recuperate and plan to spend a few days seeing Chennai and India.